Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Dash cams, are they still worth buying? Are dash cams still a thing? Despite their origins in providing additional security on the road, there's been a noticeable surge in their popularity over the years. As technology continues to evolve, the question remains, are dash cams still relevant in today's digital world? Initially designed to record journeys and capture unexpected incidents, dash cams have become synonymous with enhancing safety and providing crucial evidence in case of accidents. However, with advancements in vehicle technology and the widespread use of smartphones, some may question whether dash cams have retained their significance. In this post, we'll delve into the current landscape of dash cams, exploring their evolving role and determining whether they remain a pivotal tool for drivers. Join us on this quest to uncover the staying power of dash cams in today's fast-paced world. History and evolution of dash cams. Dash cams have come a long way since their inception, revolutionizing how we document our journeys on the road. Let's delve into the intriguing history and technological advancements that have shaped these devices into indispensable tools for drivers. Early adoption and purpose. The early days of dash cams were marked by their utilitarian purpose of capturing video footage as a form of evidence in the event of accidents or disputes on the road. Originally embraced by law enforcement vehicles and commercial fleets, dash cams quickly gained popularity among everyday drivers looking to protect themselves and their vehicles. Drivers found comfort in the ability of dash cams to provide a seamless record of their driving experiences, offering a sense of security and peace of mind. As dash cams became more affordable and user-friendly, their appeal expanded beyond just professional use, becoming a staple accessory for motorists of all kinds. Technological advancements. The evolution of dash cam technology has been nothing short of remarkable, with continuous advancements enhancing their functionality and performance. Modern dash cams boast an array of impressive features designed to cater to the diverse needs of drivers. From the introduction of high-definition, HD, recording capabilities that capture crystal-clear footage of road incidents to integrated GPS tracking systems that log precise location data, dash cams have become sophisticated tools for documenting every detail of a drive. Additionally, the integration of cloud storage capabilities allows for convenient access to footage anytime, anywhere, adding a layer of convenience and accessibility to the user experience. With each innovation, dash cams have cemented their position as indispensable companions for drivers, offering a blend of security, reliability, and peace of mind on the road. As technology continues to advance, the future looks promising for dash cams, promising even greater capabilities and functionalities to meet the evolving needs of drivers worldwide. Benefits of using dash cams. Dash cams are indispensable tools that offer a myriad of advantages for drivers. Let's delve into how incorporating dash cams into your vehicle can revolutionize your driving experience. Enhancing road safety. By installing a dash cam in your car, you embark on a journey towards proactive road safety. These small devices serve as vigilant witnesses, capturing real-time footage of your journeys. In the event of an unforeseen incident, dash cams provide seamless evidence to unravel disputes and reveal the truth. This not only fosters a sense of resilience but also encourages drivers to uphold responsible and cautious behavior on the road. Furthermore, dash cams play a pivotal role in reducing accidents and minimizing reckless driving practices. The mere presence of a dash cam acts as a game changer, reminding drivers to adhere to traffic rules and regulations. As you navigate through the fast-paced world of traffic, having a dash cam on your side offers a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that every moment on the road is being recorded for your safety. Insurance and legal protection. When it comes to insurance claims and legal matters, dash cams are invaluable assets that can save you time, money, and undue stress. In the realm of insurance, these devices provide concrete evidence in the event of disputes or claims. Insurers can leverage dash cam footage to assess fault accurately and expedite the claims process, ensuring a smooth and fair resolution for all parties involved. Moreover, dash cams contribute to lowering insurance premiums for drivers who actively utilize them. Insurance companies view dash cam users as proactive individuals who are committed to road safety, resulting in reduced insurance costs. By integrating a dash cam into your vehicle, you not only protect yourself from unwarranted legal implications but also enjoy the financial benefits of being a responsible and vigilant driver. In essence, the benefits of using dash cams extend far beyond mere recording devices. They are catalysts for promoting safe driving practices, enhancing legal protection, and fostering a culture of accountability on the roads. As you consider equipping your vehicle with a dash cam, remember that investing in road safety is an investment in your peace of mind and well-being. Current trends and market demand. In a world where technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, the demand for dashcams remains steady. Let's delve into the current trends and market demand shaping the industry today. Consumer preferences. Modern consumers are increasingly looking for dashcams that offer a seamless and user-friendly experience. Features such as high-resolution video recording, wide-angle lenses, and GPS tracking have become pivotal in decision-making. Brands known for their reliability and quality like Garmin, Nextbase, and Viofo are gaining traction in the market. Furthermore, integration with other technologies like smartphone connectivity and cloud storage is becoming a sought-after feature for tech-savvy consumers. Industry growth and competition. The dashcam market is experiencing a surge in growth as more drivers recognize the benefits of having a reliable eyewitness on the road. Key players in the industry are constantly innovating to stay ahead of the competition. Companies like Blackview, Thinkware, and Rexing are leading the charge with advanced features such as driver assist systems, parking modes, and impact sensors. This fierce competition not only spurs innovation but also drives improvements in product quality and affordability, ultimately benefiting consumers seeking a reliable and feature-rich dashcam solution. Future outlook and innovations. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the future of dashcams looks incredibly promising. Let's delve into some key areas that will shape the future of dashcam technology. Integration with AI and IoT. The integration of dashcams with artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, opens up a world of possibilities. By harnessing the power of AI, dashcams can not only record footage but also analyze and interpret it in real time. Imagine a dashcam that can detect potential hazards on the road, predict collisions, or provide personalized driving insights based on your behavior. With IoT connectivity, these smart devices can communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure, creating a seamless and interconnected driving experience. Predictions and emerging technologies. Looking ahead, we can expect to see an array of innovations in dashcam technology. One exciting trend is the rise of 360-degree recording, allowing for a complete view of the surroundings. Real-time alerts will become more sophisticated, notifying drivers of dangers proactively. Predictive analytics will enable dashcams to anticipate road conditions and provide accurate recommendations for safer routes. These advancements will not only enhance road safety but also revolutionize the way we interact with our vehicles. Get ready for a future where your dashcam is not just a passive observer but a proactive companion on your driving journey. Finally, dashcams are still a valuable asset in today's automotive scene. Their benefits in providing evidence in case of accidents or disputes cannot be overstated. Additionally, the potential for insurance discounts and improved driving behavior are significant advantages that make dashcams a worthwhile investment for any driver. Looking ahead, it's clear that the future of dashcams will continue to evolve, with advancements in technology making them even more user-friendly and efficient. So, if you haven't already, it might be time to consider adding a dashcam to your vehicle for that extra peace of mind on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.